Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to talk about what is the difference between a page, web page and a post in WordPress. Alright, now quickly I would like to come to the website, Click and Capture Studio. Now first I want to talk about a web page and then I want to talk about a post so that you will have a very clear understanding the difference between a web page and a post. Now in the website, we see a home, right? It is called a home page. A web page. Here we see services. It is a web page. We see wedding photography. When I click on it, it takes us to the wedding photography page. It is a web page. And also we have about us, our story and contact us. So whatever the important pages that we see on the website, they are all called as pages or maybe web pages. So these are the permanent web pages that we can see on any of the websites, the important pages. Now quickly I want to talk about a post. What does it mean? So quickly I would like to open a new tab and then I want to navigate to Google and imagine that I really wanted to see top 5 maybe tourist place in Telangana. So I just want to click enter. Let's see what results that we can see on the Google search engine results page. Alright, so in the Holidify website we can see 30 places to visit in Telangana. Always remember that 30 places to visit in Telangana is the post created by Holidify website people. It is not the important or maybe the main web page in the website. So the Holidify people, they have written one of the blog stating that 30 places to visit in Telangana in 2024. So generally, like we people, if we really wanted to go out on a vacation and if we stay in Telangana or maybe in Hyderabad, what we do, we just simply search in the website, right? We simply search on Google, maybe top 30 places or 10 places to visit in Hyderabad or maybe in Telangana. If we see any article or blog which was written exactly with the keywords that we have searched, and if we see the blog is really helpful to what we have searched for, then we click on the blog, right? So that's how the Holidify website, they have written one of the blog, 30 places to visit in Telangana in 2024, and now we have clicked on the blog and we have entered into this particular page. Now you have to understand that we can create n number of posts inside the website and all of those will be stored by default in the blog. So on the main page we will see services, about us, home page, contact us, something like that. So in the blogs we can see even 10, 20 or 30 or 40 different posts like this. And these are very much helpful in terms of SEO because in the posts we keep a lot of keywords which people generally searches. Now imagine that I really wanted to visit Nagarjuna Sagar. The post which was written by the Holidify, they have posted Nagarjuna Sagar, right? And now I want to click on read more. And then it takes me to one of the page inside the Holidify website. Now Holidify website, I think it is all about the traveling or something. If I really wanted to go there, then probably these people might help us to get it. It is all about the business. So in the same way, when it comes to Click and Capture Studio, services, about us, homepage, book now, all these are web pages and we can create n number of posts and then we can place it on the Google search engine results page. I want to give one of the example. So quickly I would like to open the notepad, I mean the WordPad, and here we do have one of the posts, South Indian bridal reception look. Now if anybody is getting ready for the marriage from South India and if they really wanted to have a look at the bridal reception look, something like that, maybe if they searched the same keyword on Google, if we have posted this particular post on Google, they might click and then they might land it on the Click and Capture Studio website. They can read each and every content that we have written, or maybe they will go through the images. If they really like the images that we have posted on this particular post, there are chances that they might call to Click and Capture Studio and book a wedding reception photo shoot from Click and Capture Studio. So always remember that post is an individual thing where we can create n number of posts about anything that we do in the business. We can give tips, we can talk about anything, we can talk about our work. So we include a lot of keywords that really people searches on the Google search engine, and that's how we can grab the customers even from the blogs that we write. And coming back to the Click and Capture Studio website, here we do not see any blog option on the menu, right? Which means currently we do not have any post that we have created so far. So the very first thing that we have to do is we have to add a menu with the name blog. So once we have created our first post, it will be stored directly in the blog. In the next video, I will show you how we can create a new post from zero, and I will teach you the best practices to follow while we are creating a post, like updating the images, keeping the button, what needs to be written in the content, and how the keywords needs to be displayed. Each and everything I will be talking in the next video. And if you really understand the difference between a page and post in WordPress, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below this video, so I will go through your comment and I will answer your question happily. And please continue watching all my digital marketing classes. You can find the playlist in Edurself YouTube channel, where I have did more than hundreds of videos and all are very new. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.